We're gonna do a race. Swimming on the pool. 1, 2, 3. I win! Challenge number 2. Who can throw the ball into the zone? Challenge number 3. The human hula hoop basket. Yay! It's like we're both winners. Take it for Rashi friends! And don't forget to subscribe. Hi friends! Let's go down all the slides. Hi friends! We're so happy. Ooh, wait. They'll love you soon. I mean you. Please let me have one. There's a hole here. Wait, oh my gosh, this is rain. It's rain. I'm gonna get. No.
Hold on, girls. No running near the pool. It's slippery. You could fall. Wait. Girls, remember, always have an adult with you in the pool. Be careful, girls. Not in the deep end. You need an adult. No. No eating while swimming. It's not safe. Hey, one at a time, girls. Safety first.